How to check if disk is MBR or GPT in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, in your PC, at the bottom in the search bar, search disk partition and click on create and format hard disk. After that, you'll find your disk. At the bottom in disk, you want to check right click on it. After you right-click at the bottom in the disk, you'll find all these options pop up. In these options, simply at the bottom, click on Properties. After you've selected Properties, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Volumes at the top. After that, in here you will find partition style. In my case, it's GPT. And this is how to check if disk is MBR or GPT in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.